Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this Christmas holiday makeup look. So if you'd like to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. So before we jump into the video, I'd love to show you guys these amazing necklaces from the brand Ana Luisa. They're currently having their biggest sale of the year and the necklaces they have on offer are gorgeous. The one I'm wearing just now is the Lev heart necklace. I love the quality of these necklaces, and even better, they're made from non-carbon emissions and the finest recycled materials. This necklace here is called the Emmy necklace. I love the jewels used in this piece and how sparkly it is. Even better, you can layer both of these pieces and they would be a great present to give or receive this Christmas. To buy any of the products that you see, head over to www.analuisa.com/NatalieCH. So jumping back into the makeup look, I'm first using the Morphe 9T eyeshadow palette and I'm taking this shade here as my transition shade in the crease. Next taking this darker brown shade to define the crease and to start winging it out into the outer corner. Then blending that back in with the first shade that we used. After that, I went in with the black shade in the palette and I used a tiny bit to start creating the drama in the outer corner. I then used the brown shadow to blend back in the black, just so there's no harsh lines in between. After that, I used the Maybelline Eraser Eye Concealer just to carve out the eyelid shape. This is totally optional, but I feel like it does give the eye a more cleaner finish and a better base for the shadow to sit on. Next I took this shadow and added it onto the eyelid shape that we carved out. This is more of a matte shadow than a shimmery shade, but if you'd like to add something a little bit more glittery, just go for it, as this would suit this look either way. I then took the brown shadow on a small brush and went around the eyelid shape just to define the edge of it. Next, onto eyeliner, I took the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner to create a winged out look. I then went back in with concealer to sharpen up the edge of the liner, just to make it nice and neat and look more clean. I then added a bit more of the black shadow to the outer corner on top of just that little bit of liner, and then blended it back in with a touch of the transition shade to make sure everything is seamless. After that, I added lashes, and these ones are from Unicorn Lashes in the style Insta Famous. Then onto the under eye, I used this shade here first. And then added the black closest to the lash line to make it nice and smoky. I then added a coat of mascara to the lower lashes, making sure they're nice and full looking. And then I took this shade here to highlight the brow bone and inner corner. Then used the Huda Beauty Pink Sands highlighter for the cheekbones, just to give that overall glow. For lip liner, I took the Collection lip liner in the shade 4. These liners go on so easily and they blend so well. And for lipstick, I used the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Love Bite. This is such a gorgeous red shade that is perfect to round off any Christmas makeup look. add a touch of gloss, I used the Plump It Up lip gloss on top, and this is great to make your lips look more fuller, and it lasts great all night. I absolutely loved the results. So you guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Before I go, please remember to check out the Ana Luisa website. I'll leave all the links below on where to buy the gorgeous jewellery. And also, please remember to let me know of any videos you'd like to see from me, and also follow me over on Instagram. I hope you all have a great Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!